This is the biggest mall in West Africa, like the whole of West Africa. Ghana has the largest mall ever. So this is what the largest mall looks like. I'm going inside now and I'm going to show you what the inside looks like. But first, take a look at this outside. Like the outside alone it's huge, you guys. Medical Center for Treasure's leg. We got there and they said they need a diagnosis from the doctor, which I didn't come with. I don't have it with me, so we couldn't do the x-ray. We actually wanted to do an x-ray for our leg. So this is what the NHIS card looks like. NHIS card, National Health Insurance Scheme. So that's what it stands for. This is going to help her throughout when she's doing movement for her legs, like she's going for a surgery, right? So this is going to help her for the surgery, to pay for her medicine and every other thing. So they are going to give her like the money she's actually supposed to pay. She won't be paying the full money. There's going to be discount when she's doing the treatment and everything. So this helps a lot. So if you're in Ghana and you plan on going for treatment here and there, I would advise you get this card. It's very important to get this card. So yeah, with this card she can go for her surgery, get medicine, and she's sure to get discounts. And it's also good for pregnant women also. So like I said, we couldn't do the x-ray because they asked for the diagnosis and I didn't have it. But because I'm here in ShopRite, West is the biggest mall in West Africa, I'm just going to go around and then we'll head to Circle, which is the next location. So if you are enjoying this vlog, make sure you subscribe. Oh, and we're going to do one more thing before we leave for Circle. Treasure wants to go to the escalator. She has never been on an escalator before. She has never been on an escalator before, so yeah, she's shy. No, there's nothing to be shy about. There's a first time for everything. You get why? Even there's some people watching this, they've not been on an escalator before. So yes, we're going to take her there and let her have her first experience. Chinese restaurant and New York restaurant, bar, snacks and stuff. So yeah, with that being said, yeah, you can go your next one on your own. This guy, I don't funny. Okay, so are you good? Yeah, good, yeah? Yeah? Yeah, good, are you? So you can do it on your own next time. It's not that there's nothing to be scared about. People are just anxious about it and that's it. Alright. So let's go. Now we're leaving the mall. We're going to Circle. Today has been a stressful, long day. But I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos so far. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not yet subscribed to this channel. 31 days of consistency on my channel. I'm taking you guys to Castle, I'm taking you to Shoprite Mall and NHIS office, and now I'm taking you to Circle. Circle is a place like, it's more like where they fix phones and gadgets. Charlie, the sun is hot. Ghana's sun is not a joke, like it's so hot. Oh yeah, it's normal. So Ghana's one is so hot, guys, like I'm burning right now. But we're going to take Churchill to Circle. Circle is a place where they fix phones. You can get any form of gadgets, phones, whatever you need at Circle. So I'm going to Circle to fix my my husband's phone. Is an iPhone XS Max. I mentioned it before in my video that he knelt on the phone and the phone got bad. So I'm going to Circle to get it done. So we're leaving Shoprite Mall now. So yes guys, I'll see you guys at Circle. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Let's get going.
Oh, that's I don't know.
Okay guys, so it's 4:26 and I haven't eaten all day like at all, so I'm going to get fresh coconut water and then maybe get some other meals that I can eat. Oh, I fixed my phone. So that means I have more videos coming away. I have some videos on this phone that I need to upload on YouTube. So that being said, I think this video is coming to an end now. So come with me to get brunch or dinner, whatever it's called. So make sure you subscribe. So let's go.